In this video, we will add basic page numbering to our Sandy's Daycare Center document. We will combine these new skills with some of the knowledge and skills obtained in the previous videos of this chapter that explored how to create and edit master pages within Indesign. Within Indesign, you can add a current page number marker to your pages to specify where a page number sits on a page and how it will look as well. Because a page number marker updates automatically, the page number it displays is always correct, even as you add, remove, or rearrange pages in the document. Page number markers can be formatted and styled just like any other text. Because the page numbers normally display on every page and are all edited at the same time, users of InDesign often choose to place the page numbers on master pages. When master pages are applied to document pages, the page numbering is updated automatically, which is similar to headers and footers. If the automatic page number is on a master page, it displays the master page prefix. On a document page, the automatic page number displays the page number. On a pasteboard, it displays PB. In this example, we're going to add the automatic page number marker to an existing master page. First, we must display the Pages panel by selecting the Window menu and then selecting Pages from the drop-down menu if necessary. In the Pages panel, I'm going to double-click the master page to which I want to add the page number. When the master page is displayed, I'm going to create a new text frame that is large enough to hold the longest page number within my document, as well as any text that I want to appear next to it. To begin, I'm going to make this box big enough to hold the page number. Then you must position the text frame where you'd like the page number to display. If your document has facing pages, it would be a good idea to create separate text frames for the left and right master pages. It is always a good idea to place the page number on the outside of the spread rather than on the inside or at the center. Think about how difficult it would be to quickly flip through a booklet with many pages and you want to find a certain page and the page number is located near the spine or in the center. I'm sure when you take a moment to really think about it, you've probably never seen a booklet, book, report, or any other long document with page numbers where their page numbers are in that kind of layout, and there's definitely a good reason for it. In a page number text frame, remember that you can also add any text that will come before or after the page number, such as the word page. Then within the text frame, position your insertion point where you want the page number to appear. Then select the Type menu, select Insert Special Character, select Markers, and then finally select Current Page Number from the drop-down menu. Now that we have created the new page number, I'm going to make a slight adjustment to the text frame so that it's large enough to display on one line, and then I'm going to switch back to the document and apply the master page with the page number to a page within our document. Notice now that the correct page is displayed within the text frame that is on page 4. The text box displays page 4, and just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to delete a page that exists within the document before the page that we're viewing. So notice that when I delete the page number will be updated. Now when I move to the last page in the document to which the master page with the page number is applied, the page number now displays page 3. This use of a marker is a big help when it comes to page numbering. I'd like you to take a moment to imagine how difficult it would be to manually place a text frame on each individual page within an InDesign document. Not only does this take a large amount of time, especially with a large document or book, but then what happens when you need to delete or add a new page? If this were the case, you'd have to go back and manually change all of the page numbers that were affected. This sounds like a lot more work than I want to do, and I'm sure you feel the same way. So now that we've created our new page numbers, we also have the option of changing the page numbering style. By default, pages are numbered using Arabic numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and these are the numbers that you most likely use every day. However, you can number pages using upper or lowercase Roman or alphanumeric numbering systems. You can also number pages using a preceding 0. You will use the Numbering and Section Options dialog box to change the page numbering style to use a different format. You can also use this dialog box to restart page numbering or to start page numbering at a number that you specify. So first be sure that the Pages panel is displayed. Then within the panel, select the page where you want the new numbering style section to begin. Then select the Layout menu, and select Numbering and Section options. The Numbering and Section dialog box will open and you will have several options. First, the Automatic Page Numbering option will automatically number the current section to follow the previous section, and any time the document is updated, the page numbers will automatically update as well. Select the Start Page Numbering At option allows you to type the starting number for your document of the first page of the section. So if you wanted to restart the numbering as a new section, you could do so with this option, and then the remaining pages in the section will be renumbered accordingly. The Section Prefix option allows you to type a label for the section, such as the spaces or punctuation you want to appear between the prefix and the page number, such as A-16 or B12. This prefix is limited to 8 characters. Next, you must choose a style from the drop-down menu. Notice that when I select this menu, I'm presented with several options. Choosing a style here will apply the style to all pages in the selected section only. Section Marker allows you to type a label that Indesign inserts on the page at the location of a section marker character. Include Prefix when numbering pages allows the section prefix to appear when you generate a table of contents or index, or when you print pages that contain automatic page numbers. Deselect this option to display the section prefix in Indesign, but hide the prefix in the printed document, index, and table of contents. Under the Document Chapter Numbering section, notice that you have options to choose a style, automatic chapter numbering, and start chapter numbering at, which are similar to the options that we just discussed. However, the Document Chapter Numbering section also allows you to select Same as Previous Document in the book. For this option, the same chapter number as a previous document in a book will be used. Since we are not working with a book, the option is not available to us. When you're finished making your selections, click the OK button. This concludes our tutorial on adding basic page numbering within InDesign CS6. Keep in mind that combining the skills we have learned from the Working with Master Pages tutorials in this video can really save you a lot of time when it comes to page numbering. Selecting the correct page numbering options can be crucial as well, so be sure to follow the steps outlined in this video to make your life a little bit easier.